We are on our journey from Annapolis to wherever we get to today. We were planning on going through the C&D Canal, but we might not make it because we attempted to sail and we slowed down a bit. Oh, what's that?
You know what that is?
We don't know what it is. We are far away from anyone, so it's not a collision alarm. I already turned it on. That's the C&D Canal, and that's where we were planning on stopping.
Yes, sir. You can actually see it forming over the hill over there on the north side.
All right, yep, got it.
Yeah, so according to our forecast, we're going to be lost in the northeast tomorrow, and we're going to ride that down to Delaware Bay tomorrow with bad out of the and we're just going to run up through the coast of New York Harbor.
Yeah, we were kind of doing the same thing. Head into Cape May. I wasn't sure if I was going to go into New York or on the outside. I haven't done either to the truth.
We just passed another boat, same boat as ours, except smaller. And Stephen got on the radio with them, and they have local knowledge. They are going to New York. They mentioned a storm that I didn't know about when I was charting the course for figuring out where we were going to stay and how far we were going to go. So we may stay in Chesapeake City, which is about a fourth of the way in the canal, instead of going all the way through the canal tonight. And he gave us some tips on what time we should leave in the morning for the slack tide. And he invited us to buddy up with him and kind of sail with them, not with, but next to them, to New York. And we're considering doing that as well instead of going on the outside from Cape May. So we're going to see them tonight probably when we get in, later in this afternoon. We're going to get in sooner than what we thought now that we're going to be stopping sooner. We'll probably get there in about within 2 hours, I think.
Hang on.
We are here. We're going here. So I think it's 2 miles from here.
All right, Beth on the helm. Bridge. Going underneath there. Yay, did you press bridge? Yay!
That's it.
We just made it. We've been here about a half hour, and this massive freaking thunderstorm is coming through. Jesus. Wow. So I'm getting down below pretty quickly here. Look at that thing. Beautiful yet petrifying.
Storm warning for southwestern Newcastle County and northern Delaware until 6 p.m. At 5:29 p.m. The thunderstorm was located over the beach, 8 miles southwest of Elkton, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with just quarter-size sail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Middletown, Salem, Delaware City, St. George's, Fort Penn, Mount Pleasant, Glasgow, Bear, and Odessa.
Make a move.
For 10 miles west of Riverside, 25 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour. This area is as well as and vehicles.
There's lights up out there. Oh, it's a car.
Yeah, well,
Oh my God! Did we move? The anchor didn't hold?
no, the anchor didn't hold at all. It dashed into another boat, now we smashed into land.
Oh. What?
The engine's not running, right?
You had the key.
Huh?
You didn't have the key on. He's coming over.
Thank you. Appreciate it. We're safe. We're good. Yeah, we're on the ground. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. You know, like they smashed into his boat. Oh, damn. You guys okay over there?
Yeah, we're fine. We got some stainless rail problems and some fiberglass problems, but I think that's probably it. I'm not sure. I can't see the side of the boat.
Roger, okay. Yeah, I was, jeez. Wow. I've never been anything like that before. That's crazy.
So yeah, why don't we get together in the morning? I assume you're going to be there.
Yeah, that's a good assumption. So he has very minimal damage. That's good. Need that part.
What's that? Say it again.
I said he has very minimal damage. Just his,
Like us.
his,
I guess,
his
rails.
lifelines, rail.
Oh yeah, it looks like I can see it on this side, on
the
port
fiberglass
side.
damage. And it looks like our rails just bent. I don't see any.
It looks like
fiberglass
Lady
damage.
Dancer moved.
Did you?
Yeah, because she was on this side.
Yeah, he moved too. We all moved.
But they moved the other way.
I just moved the most. But we were way over there. I was swung over here. see the path. So I guess we should call insurance. Think, well, we'll talk to them.
We'll talk to him in the morning and see what the. Oh boy. What? What's that?
I said, looks like the tide's low. The tide looks like
Yeah, Cap, I was going to say, if you want, I mean, I'm over here still at the marina. If you wanted to come in and just talk to our dock, we have deep water here, about 25 feet on mean low.
Where are they?
If you want to just get some lines up for me, that might be a little bit better for you.
Which one are they?
that would be great. Are you at the marina right across from where we went into the
Chesapeake City.
Yeah, we're on the north side, right where the Appreciation is and the big starship, the 185
yes.
foot.
I know where that is. It's
oh,
right out
Roger.
there.
Okay, great. Yeah,
Right.
we'll come in there. Thank you.
We have a flood tide right now, so I recommend a starboard side tie-up. If you want to run me a forward spring and a barrel line first, and then on your stern line, if you want to run that on your port side, cleat, and then we'll kind of run it across the like a home shore stern, and then we'll put an aft spring last.
Okay, Roger.